What's going on, you guys? This is Zay's Automotive. I'm back again with another video. This is part 2 of the painting process, assembly, whatever. Okay, so basically we use a Scotch-Brite and we scuffed all the paint inside here so that everything would stick well, and clean the surface with wax and grease remover. Now, as for the outside, last time we left off, the car wasn't sanded, and we removed all the emblems as well as the pinstriping on the side of the car, so you don't see the pinstriping anymore. Actually, if you go to the front of the car, that's what the pinstriping looked like. The only difference between this one and the pinstriping that was on the door is that this pinstripe is painted into the fender, so you don't have to remove that. You just sand over top of it, and then you can paint right over top of that pinstripe. So as for the rest of the car, 320 grit on a DA sander, and there was a lot of peeling back here, so you sand all that peeling clear coat off, and then you go over the car again with 400, and then you go over the car again with a Scotch-Brite, and you get your corners, you get inside these little areas, your emblems, any hard to reach areas that your DA can't get. So now this car is ready for paint. All it has to do is get wax and grease remover, rub down on it, and paint right over top of it. I think that's pretty much it.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
What made you come up with this color in particular?
Oh, the color. You wanna come look at the color over here or over there? So I have, for you Avatar fans, I have a Uncle Iroh Jasmine t-shirt, and it's the same color green here, and I put the metallic inside of the paint to give it a little bit of pop, and then on top of that it's just a semi-gloss, so it's not a full high gloss, so this color will actually turn matte.
So what'd you name the paint color?
Jasmine green.
Ooh.
Is the paint color. You guys can't take that. It's mine. I copyrighted it. I mixed it. You can't have this color. So other than that, I think that's it. Really all you have to do is tape everything up and paint over it, really. I wish I should have showed you the process, but I'll probably show you the process of painting the outside of the car, and taping it up and painting it and stuff. But I think that's it. Oh yeah, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, you know, rate my video. Tell me if the paint looks terrible.